Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another episode of Mixology 101 with TULLEEHO and Barracks. Today we're going to be talking about layering cocktails. So layered cocktails or floating alcohol. It's not that difficult, but it's a great bartending technique to learn. As the name suggests, the cocktail includes layers of ingredients, often with different colors and densities, starting with the most heaviest ingredient at the bottom, which will have the highest sugar content, and then moving up to the lighter spirits with less sugar content. And these are generally done using a bar spoon and a teaspoon. Let's see how these are done. So now that I have two shots in front of me, one which has the grenadine at the bottom and one which has water at the bottom. So I'm going to add water on top of it, which will create a perfect layer, and then I'm going to add grenadine on top of it, which will actually end up curdling. So let's start with this. I'm going to use a teaspoon for it, and that's how I'm going to add. You can see the grenadine will eventually move downwards and the water will come and float on the top. Right, so the other one, let's do it with a bar spoon. And I've got water right here. I'm going to just pour it right over the top, very slowly. And it will create a water layer on the top. Right, you can see layers being done. This with the perfect layer showing the alcohol and the most heaviest ingredient at the bottom, and this eventually getting curled up because the water was the lighter ingredient, and then eventually came in on top. Right, so let's make a perfect layered cocktail. I'm going to start up with some blue curacao. I got some Baileys right here. I'm going to pour it on the top of it very slowly. See how it gets floated? And that's how you see you got a perfect layered cocktail. B52, one of the most famous layered cocktails, which has the Irish liqueur, the coffee liqueur and the orange liqueur. What you can also do is you can do a layered size versions of all the famous cocktails that you know. For example, the Black Russian or the White Russian or the Woo Woo. These will come out beautifully well. So what are you all waiting for? Go make some cocktails. Cheers.